Join me as I take on the challenge of building my wealth from scratch before I hit 30. Can I do it? Let's find out. Building wealth at a young age is not just a pipe dream, it's a reality that's within our grasp, if we're willing to put in the effort and make smart financial decisions. The key is to start early, be consistent, and stay informed about the best investment strategies out there. Financial literacy is crucial, and it's never too early to start learning about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. One of the biggest misconceptions about building wealth is that you need to start with a lot of money. Not true. You can start with as little as $100 a month and still build a sizable nest egg over time. Another myth is that investing is only for the rich. That's just not the case. Anyone can invest, regardless of their income level or social status. And then there's the idea that you need to be a financial genius to make smart investments. Wrong again. With a little bit of research and due diligence, anyone can make informed investment decisions. Some people think that it's too late to start building wealth in their 20s, but that's just not true. In fact, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And don't even get me started on the idea that building wealth is only for those who are naturally good with numbers. That's a total myth. Building wealth is a skill that can be learned by anyone, regardless of their background or aptitude. Finally, there's the misconception that getting rich means sacrificing your freedom and happiness. Not necessarily. With the right mindset and strategies, you can build wealth while still living a fulfilling and balanced life. So, how can you get rich young? Well, one strategy is to invest in stocks. It's a great way to build passive income and grow your wealth over time. Another approach is to start a business. It can be a side hustle or a full-time venture. But either way, it's a great way to increase your income and build wealth. And then there's developing valuable skills, whether it's coding, writing, or design. Having a valuable skill set can increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities. Let's take investing in stocks, for example. It's a great way to build passive income and grow your wealth over time. And it's not as complicated as you might think. With a little bit of research and due diligence, you can start investing in stocks and building your wealth. Or take starting a business. It doesn't have to be a huge venture. Even a small side hustle can generate a significant income and help you build wealth. And developing valuable skills is a no-brainer, whether it's through online courses or real-world experience. Having a valuable skill set can open up new opportunities and increase your earning potential. Take the example of Alex Chu, who built $1 million business from scratch in his early 20s. He didn't have any special connections or a trust fund, just a great business idea and the drive to make it happen. He started small, but his innovative thinking and hard work paid off, and he achieved financial independence at a very young age. His story is a great inspiration to anyone who thinks they're too young or too broke to start building wealth. But what I love most about Alex's story is that it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and lifestyle that comes with financial independence. He's able to pursue his passions and live life on his own terms, and that's what building wealth is all about. So, what's stopping you from achieving financial independence? Don't let age, income, or lack of experience hold you back. Start building your wealth today and see where it takes you. In summary, getting rich young is not rocket science. It's about making smart financial decisions, starting early, and staying consistent. Whether it's investing in stocks, starting a business, or developing valuable skills, there are many ways to build wealth and achieve financial independence. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to wealth today and see where it takes you. Join me as I take on the challenge of investing my money wisely in 2025 and see if I can turn a profit. When it comes to building wealth, making informed investment decisions is crucial. The ability to make smart financial choices can be the difference between achieving your long-term goals or falling short. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing market, it's more important than ever to stay educated and adapt to new trends and opportunities. Many of us have heard the horror stories of investors who've lost their shirts due to market volatility, misinformation, or emotional decision-making. It's easy to get caught up in the hype of a hot new stock or cryptocurrency, only to watch its value plummet soon after. Or, on the flip side, we might be too afraid to take the leap, missing out on potential gains. Fear and greed are two of the most significant obstacles to successful investing, and it's essential to acknowledge and overcome them. Another common pitfall is following the herd, investing in something simply because everyone else is doing it. This can lead to a dangerous game of follow the leader, where individual investors fail to do their due diligence and rely on others to make their decisions for them. We've all heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," but this wisdom often goes unheeded in the heat of the moment. In addition, many investors fail to diversify their portfolios, leaving themselves vulnerable to market fluctuations. They might put all their money into a single stock or asset class, hoping for a big win, but ultimately risking significant losses. This lack of diversification can be devastating, as we've seen time and time again in the wake of market downturns. As we venture into the world of investing, it's critical to understand the various options available to us. Stocks, for instance, offer a way to own a piece of our favorite companies and potentially profit from their growth. However, they can be volatile and their value may fluctuate rapidly. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, have gained popularity in recent years, offering a decentralized and potentially lucrative alternative to traditional currencies. However, their lack of regulation and limited adoption make them a higher risk investment. Real estate, too, can be an attractive option, providing a tangible asset that can generate rental income and appreciate in value over time. However, it often requires a significant upfront investment and involves ongoing expenses like maintenance and property taxes. Sustainable investments, such as those focused on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors, have gained traction as investors seek to align their values with their financial goals. While they may offer a sense of purpose and fulfillment, they can also come with lower returns or higher fees. One key insight that can help us navigate these options is the importance of diversification. By spreading our investments across different asset classes and sectors, we can mitigate risk and increase the potential for long-term growth. This means not just diversifying our investments but also adopting a long-term perspective, recognizing that market fluctuations are a natural part of the journey. Effective diversification involves more than just spreading our investments thin. It requires a deep understanding of our individual goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It means being intentional about our investment choices, avoiding emotional decisions, and staying informed about market trends and developments. As we embark on this journey of investing wisely, it's essential to keep our eyes on the prize, growing our wealth over the long term. By avoiding common pitfalls, diversifying our portfolios, and staying informed, we can set ourselves up for success and achieve our financial goals. Join me as I challenge myself to build wealth without working by diving into some of the best passive income secrets out there. Imagine waking up every morning, feeling refreshed, and knowing that you've got money coming in without having to trade your time for it. That's the power of passive income. It's a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you how you can make it a reality. Most people think that making money requires a lot of hard work and dedication, and that's true. But what if I told you that there's a way to make money without sacrificing your freedom? The traditional 9-to-5 grind is not the only way to achieve financial success. In fact, many people are waking up to the fact that active income is not the only way to make a living. There's a better way, and that's where passive income comes in. We've all been led to believe that we need to work hard to earn a living, but the truth is, most people are stuck in a cycle of active income, where they're trading their time for money. This limits their earning potential and restricts their freedom. The reality is, the wealthy didn't get that way by working harder, they got that way by working smarter. They've figured out ways to create passive income streams that generate wealth without sacrificing their time. Many people are held back by misconceptions about making money, and it's these misconceptions that keep them stuck in the active income cycle. They think that making money requires a lot of experience, or that it requires a lot of capital, or that it requires a high level of education. The truth is, making money is not about how hard you work, it's about how smart you work. Real estate investing is a great example of passive income in action. By investing in rental properties, you can generate a steady stream of income without having to lift a finger. Dividend stocks are another great option. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you can earn a passive income without having to actively work for it. And then there's creating digital products, like ebooks, courses, or software. Once you've created it, you can sell it multiple times without having to put in more work. For example, let's say you create an online course on how to play the guitar. You can sell that course multiple times without having to put in more work. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold over and over again, generating passive income for you. The key is to identify your strengths and passions and find a way to monetize them. I'd like to share with you a powerful success story that demonstrates the power of passive income. There's a guy named Pat Flynn who created an online course on how to build websites. He created the course once, and now he sells it multiple times, generating a passive income of over $100,000 a month. That's the power of passive income in action. Pat's story is not unique. There are many people out there who are generating a full-time income through passive income streams. The key is to find what works for you and to be consistent. With passive income, the money can keep rolling in even when you're not actively working. In summary, building wealth without working is possible through passive income. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. By creating passive income streams, you can generate wealth without sacrificing your freedom. So, what's your favorite passive income idea? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about financial tips, be sure to check out my next video.